Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we take you inside the world's most stunning luxury homes, iconic designs, and dream-level architecture. Today, we are bringing you an exclusive full tour of a breathtaking red and golden-themed modern mansion, a home designed for elegance, comfort, and the true luxury lifestyle. So sit back, relax, and let's begin the journey. As we step toward the entrance, the first thing you'll notice is the grand red and golden facade. The warm golden highlights along the walls and windows create a royal, inviting glow. The landscaping is minimal yet stylish, with perfectly trimmed plants guiding us toward the massive front door. This entrance sets the tone for everything that follows: luxury, scale, and attention to detail. Welcome to the main living room. This double-height space feels open and full of natural light thanks to the large glass windows covering the entire wall. The red and golden interior accents bring a bold modern feel, while the soft textures and warm lighting make the room incredibly comfortable. A huge flat-screen TV, premium couches, and marble flooring make this the perfect place for family gatherings or entertaining guests. Moving forward, we enter one of the home's most unique features, the glass walkway. This floating glass corridor connects the living room to the private areas of the house. With each step, you get stunning downward views of the lower floor. It's modern, artistic, and engineered to create a light, open feel throughout the entire home. Next, we have the office and lounge space. The design is simple but premium, with red backlighting, golden frames, and a comfortable seating area. Whether you want to work, study, or just relax with a good book, this space offers peace and privacy away from the busier areas of the house. This is the fourth bedroom, perfect for guests or family members. The color theme continues here, with red soft furnishings and golden decor accents. Large windows, a cozy bed, built-in storage, and modern lighting give the room a luxurious feel. Now let's explore one of the most important parts of the home, the kitchen and dining area. The kitchen features a stunning marble island, red cabinet panels, golden handles, and high-end appliances. The LED lighting underneath the shelves adds a futuristic touch. Right beside the kitchen is the dining room, complete with a long table, golden chandelier, and beautifully designed red chairs. This is the perfect setting for hosting dinners and family celebrations. Moving outside, the terrace opens up to a peaceful and open space overlooking the backyard. The golden railing combined with red exterior finishing makes this outdoor spot feel like a luxury resort. It's ideal for morning tea, evening snacks, or late-night relaxation. Next, we enter the dedicated wine storage room. The lighting is low and elegant, with golden racks holding collections of bottles. This space is temperature-controlled, making it ideal for those who appreciate modern luxury living. The private home gym is spacious and well-equipped with modern workout machines. Large mirrors, LED strip lighting, and a clean red and golden aesthetic make it a motivating environment for staying fit and active. Now let's explore the cinema room. This space is designed like a private movie theater, complete with recliner seats, dark acoustic walls, surround sound, and a massive screen. It's perfect for movie nights, gaming, or watching big sports events with friends and family. The pool area is one of the biggest highlights of the entire home. Golden tiles shimmer beneath the water, giving the pool a luxurious glow. The seating area nearby, combined with soft lighting and greenery, creates a spa-like experience right at home. It's relaxing, refreshing, and perfect for warm evenings. On the top floor, we find the remaining bedrooms. Each room follows the same combination of comfort and elegance: soft lighting, stylish walls, and warm red and golden touches. Finally, we reach the principal bedroom. This is the most luxurious bedroom in the house, featuring a large king-size bed, golden decor frames, a private seating area, and massive windows bringing in beautiful natural light. The attached bathroom includes a spa-style shower, modern fixtures, and marble surfaces that add to the feeling of pure luxury. We end our tour on the balcony. From here, you get a full view of the swimming pool, garden, and stunning architectural details of the home. It's the perfect finishing touch to a house designed with creativity, beauty, and modern luxury in mind. Thank you for watching this exclusive tour on American Dream Mansions. If you enjoyed this home, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more luxury home tours from around the world. See you in the next episode.